To the Kenyan as a whole.
Thutha wa mbunge ciere kwihitithio ciama cia kiuteti cineanaga maritwa ma mbunge aria megwikarira kamiti itiganite cia mbunge no urutire ritanya riu ritire rirakinyanira tondu ngwataniro ya NASA ndiri yaneana maritwa ma memba ayo. NASA yoigire ndiri na itanya ria kunyita itemi kamiti-ini icio no Jubilee igithie na mbere na kwamura memba ayo no riu wira ndurarutika tondu kamiti icio tinginyaniru. Hamwe na kamiti iria itumite mihango ya mbunge irugame ni kwaga gukinyanira gwa kamiti ya mutafarire wa mihango mbunge-ini. Kamiti iyo iria ikoragwo na wigiririki wa gubanga mihango yothe ya mbunge ndiri na memba a NASA.
Our colleagues from the NASA coalition will be able within this short period to be able to have further consultations and agree on the leadership that they want in this house, and also for us as coalitions to agree on the membership of the various committees.
Ninge kamiti ingi cia bata iria citahotete guthondekwo ni kamiti ya mathabu ma muingi mbunge-ini niyo PAC na kamiti ya uigithia wa kigina kia muingi mbunge-ini, kuona kamiti ici ciagiriirwo ni gutongorio ni amemba ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro. Mbunge ya bururi itanyitwo gugacokereria ciikaro cioyo tariki 29 mweri uyu thutha wa ngwataniro ya NASA kuhoya ihinda makiria ria kuneana maritwa ma amemba ayo.
So that by 29, Mr. Speaker, you have the list of their leadership, and then we can together form the committees, relevant committees of the House.
This House resolves to alter its calendar for the first session of the Assembly 2017 as adopted on the September 27th, 2017 by proceeding for a further recess from Wednesday, November 8th today, 2017, and resuming its regular sittings on Wednesday, November 29th, 2017.
Mihango ya mbunge ni ikoretwo igitungana na ihingica nyingi kumana na ndũgamano cia kiuteti iria ikoretwo kuo gatagati ka Jubilee na NASA. Ngwataniro ya NASA igititirithia ati ndiratambura mbunge iria iri kwa ihinda-ini riri. Ciikaro cia mbunge ya Senate no iguthie na mbere, ngwataniro ya NASA ikiheo nginyagia tariki 21 ikorwo iheanite maritwa ma memba ayo mbunge-ini ya Senate. Mbunge iragirirwo guthie na mbere na ciikaro ciayo nginyagia tariki 7 mweri wa Dithemba mbere ya guthie rutha. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, jitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.
Sana Mr. Speaker.